Got a future scientist, artist, writer, or architect on your hands? Whatever they use it for, your child might love having a tablet of his own. There are tons to choose from, so what makes one different from another? Consumer Reports tested dozens of kids' tablets for these features. Portability. This is a fancy name that covers size, weight, and battery life. The ones we tested last anywhere from 4 hours to over 10. Do you want that tablet to die right in the middle of their movie? Thought not. Display. We take into consideration color, readability, and viewing angles. Good for if they're sharing a game in the car on a sunny day. Durability.